Guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over a method that not a lot of people are talking about right now, and not a lot of people are actually doing this. So after you watch this video, I'm going to advise you to get on this method as fast as possible because there's not a lot of competition around this method right now. So guys, with this method you're going to be taking 5 minutes out of your time every single day to set this up, and after setting this up with 5 minutes you're going to be getting a chance to make about $5 all the way to $100 over and over again, multiple times every single day. So real quick, if this is your first time on the channel Cash Therapy, do me a solid favor, go below this video, smash the red subscribe button. Actually, you're going to be doing yourself a favor also, because on this channel we go over different methods to make money online using different methods. So if you want to make money online, if you want to learn how to make money online, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you get updated every single time I drop a new video like this one. And if you have any questions, if you're confused about anything, or if you need a link to a website or something, leave your questions in the comment section, or you could also send me a message over on Instagram. I'm going to be replying over there also. And make sure you drop a like if you gain any info from this video. So with this method, I'm sure you guys have already seen these two websites up here. You're going to be needing only two websites, and a ton of you guys already know Pico Workers. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it already. But guys, on this website, do not think you're going to be coming over here to complete jobs. You're not going to be doing that, because on this website they pay you only about 5 cents, 3 cents, 8 cents, 20 cents to complete jobs. You're not going to be doing that, guys. You're going to be doing something else, and I'm going to show you guys what you're actually going to be doing. So stick with me in this video. The next website you're going to be needing to sign up on is playerup.com, and if you already have an account on these two websites, lucky you don't need to create brand new accounts. But if you're new to these two websites, links are going to be in the description to sign up on this website. You could simply go up to the URLs over here. So this one is playerup.com and this one is picoworkers.com. Links are also going to be in the description. Guys, with this method you're going to be using these two websites to actually carry out this method. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So I'm going to explain these two websites and what they actually are. So Pico Workers is basically like a micro worker site or freelancer site where employers pay employees to carry out different jobs. So as you can see, sign up over here, watch plus subscribe, visit this website, download file, create Gmail account, airdrop, join, start, click, sign up. So employers are actually paying employees cents over here to do simple jobs over and over again on Pico Workers. And for PlayerUp, this is basically a website where people buy, sell and trade different accounts, and mostly on this website people are trading and selling and buying gaming accounts, but there are other things over here that people are actually buying and selling. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys later on in this video. So the first thing I want to do, I want to actually show you guys, if I search for this over here, so Gmail over here, so a little amount of people are actually doing this right now actually. So guys, so as you can see, there are actually 9 results over here, or actually 22 results. As you can see, Gmail create an account, Gmail create an account, Gmail create an account. So people over here, employers over here are paying employees to actually create Gmail accounts. And as you can see, people are actually paying 100 people to create Gmail accounts over here, 205 people to create Gmail accounts, 100 people to create Gmail accounts. And I'm going to be showing you guys why in a second, and this is actually what we're going to be doing also. So guys, with this method, the only downside is you're going to need at least $2 or $3 to start up. But if you did not have that, you could simply complete some jobs. If you did not have $3 to actually start out with this method, you can invest that $3 back into this and going to be making more money over and over again. So as you guys saw over here, only a few people are actually doing this. So I searched for Gmail and only 22 results out of the, let me see over here, so there are actually 1.1 million people visiting this website every single month, but only about 22 people are actually doing this right now. And if we go over to PlayerUp over here, I'm going to search for Gmail and I'm going to show you guys something real quick. So if we search for Gmail over here, let me click on that. So on PlayerUp, they get about 775,000 people visiting their website every month. So I'm going to check that again just to be accurate. So over here, as you can see, 775,000 people visit this website every single month, and only about 6,000 people are actually selling Gmail accounts right now. And guys, that is exactly what you're going to be doing. But before you click off this video, there are a ton of info I haven't shared with you guys, a ton of info that's actually going to help you. So if I click on a random one over here, you guys are going to see what I'm actually talking about right now. And over on Pico Workers, what you want to click on is post job. So after you get the $3 or $2, what you're going to click on is post job. And let me go over back to the beginning, let that load up. And over here, as you can see, a ton of people are actually doing this. Only a few amount of people, actually, I keep on saying a ton, but guys, only a few people are actually doing this right now compared to the amount of people that actually visit this website. Only a little amount of people are actually doing this right now. They're making a ton of money. So guys, over here, what you're going to do is click on international. Over here, I'm actually going over how to actually set up the job you're going to be posting for this task you're going to be getting people to complete. So guys, you're going to click on international. Over here, you're going to click on apply and go next. You're going to click on sign up. They're going to click on simple sign up, apply, and go to next. Over here, you're going to select the amount of workers you need, and you're not going to be able to change this because you need to pay at least 8 cents for this particular job you're going to be posting. So guys, you're going to select the amount of people you need, and as you can see, the least amount of people you could actually select is 25, and you're going to be paying $2.54 for this. And that's why I actually said you need $3 to be able to do this. So guys, over here, as you can see, the first results we have over here for selling Gmail accounts, this person is selling 20 Gmail accounts for $5. Just to give you guys an example, if we go over to pick workers and actually type in 20 over here and check out the price for this, so over here as you can see, the price for this is $2.11. So if you actually do this, if you post a job and you get workers to actually create 20 Gmail accounts, you come over here, you could actually sell that for $5. So you're gonna be making a $3 profit over and over again. As you can see, this person is actually selling 100 Gmail accounts for $20. So if you go back over here and type that in, 100 Gmail accounts to create on Pickwork, that's going to be for $8.96, and this person over here is selling that for $20. So guys, that person is going to be making about $11 profit over and over again. And guys, if you click on that, that person is actually also selling 250 Gmail accounts. So if you check that over here, 250 over here, you're going to see that the price for this is $21.80. But if you come over here, this person is actually selling it for $50. So guys, you're going to be making $20 profit or even more depending on how many Gmail accounts you're actually selling. And as you can see, something I forgot to actually show you guys, let me go back real quick. This person has actually received a ton of feedback, and that's how you know that the person is actually making some amount of sales. So guys, as you can see, this person feedback over here, this person has received 379 feedbacks, and I'm sure the person has actually made more sales or more transactions than this, because not everyone's going to leave a feedback. So you guys can see that this is actually working, and not a ton of people are actually doing this right now. So if you go over to Fiverr and other places, you can see a ton of people are doing the same thing. But guys, with this method, not a lot of people are doing this right now. You could actually join this over here right now to actually maximize your chances of ranking on this website and actually making more money. And something I'm going to advise you guys to do is actually reduce your price for the meantime. So for example, do not go over to this website and start selling yours for maybe $10. So as you can see, the person who is ranking number 1 over here is selling 20 Gmail accounts for $5. So something I'm going to advise you guys to do is actually maybe get 20 Gmail accounts from Pickworkers over here, and you're going to be selling yours actually lower than the price of this. You're going to be selling yours for maybe $3, and you're going to be making $1 profit, but you're going to be doing that so that you can actually rank and you could actually get a ton of feedback so that you can start ranking, and so more people would actually want to buy from you, because at that point the website is going to trust you and other people are going to trust you to buy from you. So as you guys can see down here, also 10 to 100 Gmail accounts, this person is about selling 10 Gmail accounts for $3. So that is even more profit for you guys. So guys, a ton of people are doing this right now. As you can see, this person over here is selling 50 Gmail accounts for $70. So you're basically the person that sets your price. Whatever price you want to set, you could do that, but I'm gonna advise you guys not to offer a high price for a little amount of Gmail accounts so you get sales. So as you can see, people are getting feedbacks over here, and this means that these people are actually making sales over and over again. So as you can see, Gmail USA 81 feedback over here for $10. A ton of people are actually doing this, guys. So you guys could also make money from this. And if you don't want to do Gmail for some reason, you could also do some other websites over here. People are actually buying Instagram accounts, Twitter accounts. I don't know why, but guys, people are actually buying this and people are actually selling this. So if you come over to YouTube accounts, as you can see, 24,000 people are actually posting their offers over here, and 14,000 people are actually posting their offers over here. But as you saw for Gmail, only a few people are actually doing that, and that's why I actually chose that for this video, because only only a few amount of people are actually doing that right now. But if you also want to sell gaming accounts, you could do that also. That's what this website is basically about. A ton of people are selling gaming accounts, so you guys could also see the ones you could actually post on PicoWorkers and make money from that also. So for example, people are selling holo accounts over here. You could sign up for that online and you could post that on PicoWorkers also. Fiverr account, gaming accounts mostly. Let's scroll down and see if you could see any other accounts. Spotify accounts over here, that's a nice one. Telegram accounts, Twitch accounts, TikTok accounts, people, Xbox accounts. People are doing different accounts over here, and you could find the one that has a low amount of competition. For example, as I showed you guys, Gmail has a low amount of competition and people are actually buying those accounts. And you could go over to PicoWorkers, employ people to create these accounts for you. And as I said, you guys are going to be using 5 minutes of your time every single day, because it's going to take you literally only 5 minutes to set up this and post the job and actually get this account submitted to you through this. And you're going to be delivering those accounts to whoever is buying it from you over on this platform. So guys, that is basically it for this video. A ton of links are going to be in the description. Resources to make money online, they're going to be in the description. So if you want to check those out, check those out. Also, if you want to get the browser I'm actually using over here, this browser simply blocks ads for you and blocks trackers and other things like that, blocks ads on different websites for you. So if you want to get this browser, link is going to be to it in the description. And guys, also you could get Bluehost in the description for $3.95. They're going to give you a free SSL certificate and a free domain and a ton of other things, and that's like the best plan in my opinion. So if you guys want to check that out, go check that out in the description. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Like I already said before, thank you guys for watching. Peace, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.